How to create a channel for inactive users on Discord. To create an area to put inactive users, first we need to create a channel where to move them when they go to FK. So let's click on this plus symbol, then select voice, and below we enter the name we want to give to the new channel. For example, I call it inactive users. Finally we click on create channel. Now that we have created the channel where to move inactive users, let's click here at the top and then on server settings. Now, here on the right, under the inactive users channel entry, open the drop-down menu and select the channel you just created. By opening the drop-down menu under the maximum activity period, we could choose the inactivity time after which Discord will automatically move the user inside the channel. Finally, at the bottom click on Save Changes. From now on, when a user inside the channel remains inactive for the set time, they will automatically be moved inside the channel for inactive users by Discord. As you can see inside the newly created inactive users channel, the microphone is muted, and it is not possible to unmute it, precisely because it is not possible to speak here.